Today we look at what we have been doing with our chicken house since the last tour of our house. We have done a lot of changes which we are going to show you today. We have actually fenced around it and we have made a gate that we shall be going in so that not everybody can access our house. So we are going to be going in through this little metal gate into the chicken house and the other areas of the chicken. And so we are just looking now at the entrance of our house, and you go up the stairs, and these stairs are very special because they're made in such a way that you can drive a wheelbarrow up and you can actually go down on your foot without sliding in case it is wet and slippery. So it's a very, very good and well-made staircase, and it's all made of wood. Again, I will remind you that our chicken house is made in a very environmentally friendly way with only materials that we have sourced from our own farm. And so here you see that we have put a door, and on top there we have sealed all the holes that were there before that were left. So the white patches that you're seeing are the holes that we have repaired so that no birds or lizards or animals can creep into our house. And here it's now 6 o'clock in the morning, and therefore it's a bit dizzy outside and the sun is just coming up. And that's why you see it's a little dizzy. It's the African morning. This is how it looks at 6 o'clock in the morning in the rural village in Kenya. We're looking at our stores that we have built that we're going to be seeing later on a little better when the sun comes up. But right now, let's look at our house. As you can see, we have our egg trays that we have actually changed the lid so that the lid can close and open without a problem. We have actually also put a door that we shall be locking so that our chicken are safe. And these are our layer boxes that are very nice, and they are all made of wood. And they're very easy to use, and it will be very easy for someone to just come in and pick the eggs, and it's very nice. And so we are going to go in and look into our chicken house to see how it looks inside. And these are the layer boxes that you actually can access very well, and they're very easy. And you can see we put hedges so that you can open it. You see, it's so easy to just open, pick the eggs and close it up. And it's a bit heavy so that no animal can come and lift it up. And here we have inside our chicken house, and you can see that we've already put in our wood shavings, and this is already dried, it's already sieved, and it's already disinfected. So it's just there. And then we have the roosters. These are very special roosters that we have built for our chicken. We have counted that out of our 3,000 chicken, each chicken is going to have a place to roost, because a rooster is a bed for chicken. And so every of our bird is going to have a space to climb up and sleep. And they're made in a very special way because they are perpendicular. That means they're lying down like a little table, and they're 4 by 1. So the chicken will just climb up there and rest its whole body on the little wood, on the little roost, and so it will not get tired, and it will rest until the morning. So they'll have a very nice sleep. And here we go out again and we look at our stores, and you can see we have the front side, which is actually the entrance, and a little working bay there that you can sit and chill and drink your tea or just rest during your break. And you come in and there's a sink that you're going to be washing your hands, and there'll be a disinfectant. At the entrance also, we are going to put some some foot bath. And here on the outside, we're going to put a little table that you can sit and chill with a cup of tea. And if you're waiting for eggs or delivery, you can just sit out there and wait for us. And far ahead, we have our bathrooms where we have hot showers and toilets where our workers can use and also shower before coming into the chicken house. And here it's a little staircase that you go up so that you can go there and change the water or put medicine in the water, or if you're going to use our automatic feeders, then this is where we enter through. And this is the side of the chicken house again, and the layer boxes. So this is the upstairs of the chicken house, and we have a downstairs. Those are our stores again, and this is how it looks inside the stores. We have one for the feeds, we have one for the eggs, and then we have one for the mixing. And they are very, very well built and very strong so that no animals can come in and no people can also come in. And this is how we have them, as you can see. And we are very, very happy with our chicken house, how it has come out. We will be showing you later on how we are going to put our automatic drinkers and our feeders, and how we are going to build the brooder, because we are soon getting our chicken. We will be showing you everything as we start preparing for our one-day-old chicken, and you will be with us. So this is also a little fence on the outside that we have put to protect the birds. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye bye.